guys, welcome back to So Aldo. On today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I made this simple skirt that I'm wearing today. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. So this is 27 inches. So that's on fold, so that's double, 27 times 2. This is the back seam, and then this is the length of your desired skirt. The more fabric you add onto the waistline, the more voluminous the skirt is going to be. You can double your waistline or you can just add half of your waistline. It's totally up to you. Here I am trimming off the selvage area just because it has that massive tag on there. I also pattern match the back seam and I'm going to sew it from here all the way down. I am using my serger, but you can use your regular sewing machine. I went ahead and trimmed off the excess fabric. I will be using an elastic for the waistline. First, I am going to make a casing, so I'm going to fold the raw edge and fold it one more time, just to make sure that the 1-inch elastic will fit in the casing. And I will leave an opening about 2 inches wide, so I can feed the elastic through. To figure out how much elastic I will need, I basically just wrap the elastic around my waistline and I added 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I tried on the skirt and I want it a little tighter around the waistline. I trimmed off about 2 inches off of the elastic. I went ahead and closed the opening, shut, and hemmed the skirt, and this is the final result. That's it, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to hit the notification so you get notified whenever I post a new one. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye!